Hello everyone. This session is for how to create a test automation framework using Maven. So before start the hands-on session, we should know the basic things like what is framework and why it is required and type of framework. So the first thing, what is framework? So a framework defines a set of rules or best practices which we can follow in a systematic way to achieve the desired results. In a test automation project, we do perform different tasks by using different types of files. To organize and manage all these files and to finish all the tasks in a systematic approach, we use a framework. So this is why we are going for test automation framework. So the next is types of testing framework. There are different types of test automation frameworks out there, such as modular testing framework, data-driven testing framework, keyword-driven testing framework, hybrid testing framework, and behavior-driven development framework. So we are using test automation framework. So we should know why we are using test automation framework. So we should know the advantage of using test automation framework. The advantages of using test automation framework is automation testing is faster in execution, reusable of code, which means create one time and execute multiple time with less or no maintenance, and easy reporting. So it generate automatic report after test executions like SNG report, extent report. We can easily see the test execution result. And then parallel execution, easy for compatible testing. It enables parallel execution in combination of different OS and browser environment. And then low cost maintenance, it is cheaper compared to manual testing in a long run. And then it is more reliable, it is more powerful and versatile. It is mostly used for regression testing, supporting execution of repeated test cases. And then it is minimal manual intervention. These are the things for we should know what is test automation framework and why it is required and what is the advantages of the test automation framework. And then we are going to discuss about Maven. So Maven is the project management tool. It is used to manage the project. We have one file in the Maven project is called pom.xml. So pom means project object model. It is fundamental unit of work in Maven. So all the dependencies of the particular project we can give in the pom file. So it will automatically download the dependency and it will stored in a location is called .m2, which will be in C drive. So I will explain these things in hands-on session. Once you have downloaded the dependencies using POM, if you want to upgrade or downgrade the dependencies, you just update the details in the pom.xml file itself. You no need to download manually and locate in the specified folder. If you have given the specific name, I mean artifact ID and the dependency name, it will directly download from the repository and it will stored in the local repository, which will be in C drive. So this is the major advantage of Maven. Okay, let's start our hands-on session. So first we need to install Eclipse in our machine. So I already installed Eclipse. If you don't have already Eclipse, just go search Eclipse download. Click on the eclipse.org download link. Here just click on the download 64-bit. Again you need to confirm the download, so click on the download. So once you click on the download, you will be see the downloading file. So once it is download, you need to install. So I already installed it. I will open this Eclipse. So once you are opening this Eclipse, it will be asking you to select the workspace. Select the workspace and click launch button. Now the Eclipse is launching. So once it is launched, you can see the welcome page. Just close it. By default, you can see the project explorer window. Just click on the file, new, and project. So once you clicked on that, you will see the general, Gradle, Java, Maven, and example folders. So we are going to create a Maven project. So just expand the Maven folder. You can see the Maven project. Select the Maven project and click next. Now we are going to create a sample project. Click on the create a sample project checkbox. Click next. Here we need to give the group ID and artifact ID. So we are going to create a project. So we need to give the project name. So which will be showing you in the display. So you can see the name of the project. So I'm going to give us ecom underscore test underscore automation. Just copy it and paste it the same in the artifact ID. And this is the version of the project. So by default it will be 0.0.1. So we no need to change this. Click finish button. A POM file already exists in the destination folder. So which means I already having the same file name. So I'm going to update the name as com underscore test underscore automation, giving the same for artifact ID also. I'm clicking the finish. So you can see the process bar. So it will download some Maven dependencies. By default it will download while creating the project. So before downloading it, you can see here, you can see the src folder, main, test, pom.xml, this folder alone. Once it will download all the things, you can see the jar, library jar. I will show you once it completed. Yeah, it is completed to download the jar files. So I expand this project now. We can see src test java, src test resource, and then JRE system library. So this is the library files which is downloading. Just open the pom.xml. So here you can see the group ID, which is the project ID, project name, artifact ID, version. So these things while creating this project. So these are the things. And then one more thing. So as I said, the Maven repository will be in the in our local C folder. I will show you that. Open C drive. Click on the user and the computer name. Here we can see .m2 folder. So before created the project, it won't be available. So once you have created the Maven project, you can see .m2 folder. Inside this folder, all the dependencies which is downloaded here, this jar file will be available in this location, like .m2 folder. So here we have repository. Here we have those jar files are located over here. So this is how to create a Maven project. We will start how to implement the dependencies and how to implement the like supporting files and how to scripting in the upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.